Don't throw away that banana peel. It might grow you the most incredible sweet potato harvest. Bury the banana peel 6 inches deep first, then plant the slip directly above it. Nature does the rest. One deep watering activates the banana peel below, feeding those roots before they even begin to spread. Day 14. Underground, the banana peel is already breaking down, feeding roots that are spreading fast. Day 45. Look at these vines. The banana peel method is producing growth nobody expected this fast. Day 90. And just beneath these vines, sweet potatoes are swelling in the most nutrient-rich soil possible. Day 110. And this banana peel harvest is something extraordinary. Look at the size of these. Banana peel gave us this, but wait for more different ways of growing methods produced.